Hello family, today I'm bringing you one of my most requested dishes, stew peas with smoked oxtail. Slow cooked, rich and full of flavor. You don't want to miss this. So stick around, let me show you exactly how I do this in Shirley's kitchen. Here are the seasonings that I'll be using today. Here I have some thyme, fresh thyme, my garlic, and chopped tomatoes, chopped scallions, onions, and green bell peppers chopped. I also have fresh squeezed coconut milk, some pimento allspice seeds, and a scotch bonnet pepper. Over here, boiling already is my peas, seasoned, not fully cooked, so I'm going to add my meats in. Remember my smoked oxtail. I'm about to add that in. I'm turning up that fire now. So I'm dropping in the oxtails. And it's very smoky. Can't smell the smoke, but just imagine coming off the grill. I also have the smoked beef in there also. So I'm gonna let this cook for about a half an hour. I'm gonna add some more water and let it cook in.
You have oxtails and stew beef?
Yes, all smoked.
You doing your rice now?
Yes, sir.
So you just added some salt to the water?
Yes, and I'm gonna add my rice. It's already washed.
Okay.
And pour that in. And I'm going to add just 2 slices of onions and then cover that up.
Okay.
Let it. I'll come back and check that. Here's my string beans. I'm gonna add some sea salt also.
String beans too?
Yes. And that was steaming it. I don't like to boil my. Now I'm checking the pot, making sure the oxtail is cooked. My meat is cooked. Yeah. So I'm gonna season up this pot. Adding in all my seasonings now. My bell peppers. So I'm pouring in the tomatoes. I cut up tomatoes. My thyme. Fresh thyme. Some scallions. I'm gonna save some for the end. I'm gonna pour in my coconut milk, freshly squeezed. I'm gonna stir that in. Let that come to a boil again. For the rice.
So the rice is coming together.
Over that. Let it just slowly steam. Black pepper here. Some more pimentos.
That smells awesome.
It
All coming
does.
together.
Let's give it a stir. Add some more.
Well seasoned pot.
Okay. Like that. Drop in my scotchy. And lower that. Everything is done. Oxtail soft and tender to the bones.
Looks good.
Yeah, so I'm gonna plate this up. So here is the finished product. Let's eat this delicious smoked oxtail stew peas. Let's get started. Here's your pork. Look at that, falling off the bone. Wow, amazing. Wow, let me try this. Mmm, delicious. Come on over, kitchen is still open. Goodbye.